My name is Jay Wiseman. I've been under the care of Dr. Ray Andrew, and I had some pain in my knees, and he mentioned a new process using ozone injections. Well, I had my one knee operated on in 1974, where the cruciate ligament and the cartilage was gone, and since that time it had been, relatively good, but the last 10 years it had started to bother me. And after one injection about 3 months ago, the pain is virtually gone. And it was almost, I actually thought I was going to become crippled because it was hurting so bad. And now I have no pain in that knee. And I also had the other knee done, which was not operated on, but I think something was damaged, and it's basically cured that as well. I can't tell you how pleased I am that it solved the problem to where I can get up in the morning and not have excruciating pain.